Dialysis is started when the kidneys can no longer remove waste and excess fluid adequately. This usually occurs in advanced chronic kidney disease. Toxins build up in the blood when kidneys fail. Dangerous electrolyte imbalances can develop. Fluid overload stresses the heart and lungs. Dialysis is started based on symptoms and test results. Kidney function is usually very low at this stage. High creatinine and potassium levels guide the decision. Nausea, confusion, and fatigue indicate toxin buildup. For ferritin and ferritin. Dialysis replaces part of kidney function artificially. There are two main types of dialysis. Hemodialysis cleans blood outside the body. Blood is removed through a vascular access. A special access is created before starting treatment. This access allows safe and efficient blood flow. Blood passes through a filter called a dialyzer. The dialyzer removes toxins and extra fluid. Filtered blood is returned to circulation. Hemodialysis is usually done multiple times per week. Each session lasts several hours. Peritoneal dialysis. Peritoneal dialysis cleans blood inside the body. The abdominal lining acts as a natural filter. Special fluid is introduced into the abdomen. Toxins move into the fluid by diffusion. Used fluid is drained and replaced. This process is repeated daily. The choice depends on lifestyle and medical factors. Doctors assess overall health before starting dialysis. Diet changes are required during dialysis. Fluid intake must be limited to prevent overload. Blood tests are monitored regularly. Medications support dialysis treatment. Low blood pressure and cramps may occur. Patients are closely monitored during treatment. Dialysis relieves symptoms of uremia. Dialysis does not cure kidney disease. Dialysis becomes part of daily life. Emotional support is important for patients. Returns. Patient education improves treatment outcomes. Transplant may be considered for eligible patients. Ongoing follow-up ensures safety and effectiveness. Many patients live for years on dialysis. Adapting routines improves quality of life. Dialysis care involves a multidisciplinary team. Dialysis is a life-saving process when kidneys can no longer function.